how to back up apps to the external USB drive. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we're going to use this adapter, plug into the phone, and then we plug in the USB drive to the adapter. So on the phone here, I will unlock it, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Then we go down and tap on external storage transfer. Now, if you see this message, just tap on OK and start again. Okay, so here it will search for data. Then tap on custom and tap on next. In here, scroll down and select apps and scroll down. So here I have selected apps, but it's not allowing me to backup. So we have a look here and see what's causing the error. So everything seems to be okay, except calendar. So can't send events from sync account. So the accounts is having issues with calendar. So we can, if there's an issue, you can simply deselect it. Or if you want to address the problem, you need to find out. Maybe you have to turn off sync so that you can back up. Then tap on done. Okay, so now there has no more error. We can scroll down and tap on backup. So there's not enough space to backup. So there's not enough space. So we can deselect some items because I have a relatively small drive. So what we do is we can go in here and deselect some of the apps. So here I'll deselect some apps. Some of them are quite huge. So a lot of language packs take up space. So simply just deselect them and tap on done. So still not enough data. Okay, so I have to select some apps so that it would fit into my USB drive. Now scroll down and tap on the backup button. And now it will begin to back up the data to the USB drive. And that's it. That's how you can back up apps to your USB drive on the Galaxy S25 series.